Welcome trailblazers, I'm Yannick and you're not. So this one's not about epic gaps or wild tricks, this one's about hiking. Yes, actual hiking. Legs, sweat, bad footwear choices, not enough water and cursing about the usual hangover. It was a nice day with friends, yet exhausting. We made a halt at a viewpoint because every hike needs a let's pretend we're admiring nature while secretly just trying to catch our breath moment. And out came the tiny whoop, because why just enjoy a view when you can strap video goggles to your face? No big stunts, no fancy dives, just cruising over treetops, soaking up some warm daylight, feeling like a nature documentary with budget cuts. The whoop got its fresh air, I got mine. The footage is surprisingly chill, kind of like a screensaver from the 90s. Later we cracked open some beers because we earned them. I mean, we climbed actual terrain. Elevation was involved, that deserved cold beverages. This flight wasn't about being cool, it just kind of was, and sometimes that's the best kind. See you next time.